Greeting. This is Matt Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can actually share a file in Google Drive. So I want to come right up here to your right, where you see the 9 look at that. So we're going to click on it. We're going to select the drive right here. So when you select the drive, we're going to take you directly in the drive. And what you're going to see recent up here. Start trash share with. I want to click on recent right there. So that's exactly going to share a photo file directly from that end. Right, so the first thing that you wanted to do definitely is to put the mouse pointer right on the document. You're going to right click. When you right click, you're going to click right here where it's share. When you click on share, definitely what you will see right here, you can show the message right here, so ask to share. If I click right here, you notice I put in the person right email address right here, and if I click on here, so I say see file below. And an example right there. And I just show right down here so show that I can actually copy. So when I done, I can come right here and click, and there you go. And that's exactly how you actually share a file right here in Google Doc. So I hope you have learned something from this short video here. So remember to share it with your friend. Consider subscribe. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.